All right, the website improvement. This is one of the probably the biggest misnomers in business when I work with marketing clients is I need to redesign my website. Well, you probably don't. The redesign, the colors, the fabric, whatever, the feel of it usually isn't the problem. It's the messaging, it's the copy, it's the way things are organized, it's the connection, right, between people that you haven't done business with and the opportunity that you want to have with them. So in here, I'm going to teach you how to utilize, again, the framework, the baseline of what we've done with ChatGPT about your customers and your business and your values and your questions. And we are going to take a look at your website. We're going to find information gaps. We're going to use frameworks and best practices from the likes of Don Miller's StoryBrand and Marcus Sheridan's They Ask You Answer. We are going to put that into ChatGPT along with your specific information. And we're going to give you a blueprint on how you can look at your website objectively from your customer's eyes, update the information you already have without redesigning, without recoding and all that, and create a real sales and marketing asset from your website without having to redesign and reprogram. It's a way that you can make better what you have now, and if you're going to do something in the future, plan ahead and make it more effective. So improving your website with ChatGPT.